Hi guys, Happy Development here. Okay, today we're going to take a look at the ParaTek application. This is a new one I've done. It's kind of overless kind of type application. It's a word generator, but it's not like a random type thing. There's a little bit of process going on here that helps it do what it does. Whether that's useful for anything is yet to be decided, but for now I'm going to explain what it does and how to use it. Okay, so when you load it up you get this screen, and there's one button here at the bottom, that's the power button, that turns everything on, and then you'll see the data flow here will start moving in percentage. The AI clock, that's basically the speed that's running if it's running at full percentage. It's kind of like a buffer, so it doesn't like clog down your system. It keeps everything like running smoothly. The three layers are basically like a filter system where it filters out the banks down to a certain amount of banks, so and then it can eventually pick one. That cuts out a lot of random words, and it cuts out a lot of repeat words as well. So that's why you see 3 layers here, and at the bottom here you'll see what word actually gets spoken. That will appear here. It says cleared at the minute because I just cleared the history. So that's basically all there is to it. So you turn it on, and what the device does is, if your device has certain sensors, the AI system kind of determines what percentage your signal is, or what an explanation. Like say your signal's at 25% or whatever. The AI detects that and it makes a decision based on the signal. And the decision it makes is based on its own accord. It's not like programmed in there like what percentage to put. It kind of has like a thought process, so, and it does that 3 times. So it will go through one process, and then it'll have to do the same again for the next one and the next one. And by the time it gets to the bottom, there'll be like 3 or 4 word banks that are left. Now the word banks in here are all in alphabetical order. There's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and each one of these banks contains the alphabetical word for that bank. So say B will have like ball or B words, you know, and A will have like A words, and it's not like one big list, it's all like broken up into alphabetical order. So using this process kind of cuts out a lot of the randomness and a lot of the repeat words that come through. Generally what you'll find with the other type apps like this, you'll notice a lot of less of that happens with this application. Obviously that depends on your device as well and what sensors it has and whatnot. Typically tablets will perform less than the phone devices because they have less sensors, but it shouldn't really matter whatever you use because it has its own thought. So it doesn't really matter if it doesn't have a sensor. It will just ignore it and make up like its own algorithm anyway. So anyway, we'll get into how it works, because the kind of background stuff is a bit too technical for the average person. So what we're going to do, when you load it up, you just turn it on, and what will happen, you'll get a word right away. Just ignore the first word, because it's what happens when you turn it on, one just shoots right through, because the layers are not active, so the word shoots right through before even anything happens. So just ignore the first one, wait for the next one. So what I do is I turn it on and clear the bank right away, and that way there's no, the one it shoots through isn't in the history. So just clear it like this.
Started scanning.
and you'll see one popped up there. Sometimes it says it, sometimes it doesn't, but clear it anyway. And that's it cleared. So when you go to your history, there's nothing in it, and that keeps you right. Usually. Anyway, so you've seen that word popped up there, so now that will be in the history, and it's up here. Now, when the app's running, all the words come in here in a big list, and if you tap on any one of them, it saves the whole history to a text file on your SD card for future reference, and it also timestamps when the session was, so it timestamps exactly when you saved it. You'll see there it timestamps the words as well. So when you
saved history to internal storage,
and that's it saved. So that's basically how it works anyway. So it'll just keep running. It will just keep running till you stop it. And the idea is you ask questions and try and get responses that mean something to you. I mean, I don't even know if this works for any kind of spiritual kind of thing, but it's ITC experiments anyway. So if you guys get lucky with it, that's all I'm looking for. You know, it's not no can mean anything. You know, but the way I see it is more like an entertainment type of app, more than a serious type one, but it does have the AI technology in there, so I'm hoping that kind of does something rather than it just spouting off random words. So that's the theory behind this. I'm not too fond of these type of applications, but I'm open for experimenting with it. I've had a lot of requests for it, that's why I've made it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So anyway guys, I'll leave that with you, and hopefully this little tutorial is useful for you. And
abrasive.
So I'll just quickly show you where you get your text file. So you turn it off.
Scanning stopped.
Back out of the application.
Started scanning.
Just back out, and you'll need a file manager. I use the Accept File Explorer. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite bright. And all text files get stored here, and the latest one will be at the bottom, so you just open it up and you'll see there all the words. So there's a little bit of a focus. All the words and the timestamps, everything are in there, so it'll say word, when it was said, and what word was said, and you can copy that and share it or whatever you want. So anyway guys, that's how it works. There will be more updates coming soon and cool stuff like that. I'll see how we get on with it and what cool stuff we can add to it. So that's it for now, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, so goodbye.